Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with a very special demo for you. Can you see we are done with the triplets of Belvedere, I like to call them. Some of you know what that means. Anyway, it is the 6, the 7, and the 8. And I'm going to demo all three for you. Sorry for if you're hearing wind noise. I've got the fan going good. It is hot. Summer. Still summer. I don't care what anybody says. So, but anyway, I am going to do the demo for you. There will be obvious edits, chops, where you'll see me. I'm going to switch from the 6, the 7, and then the 8 all in one demo. Bear with me. I'm not going to do that live because for whatever sense of better planning or lack thereof, I have one 9-volt battery, and these are all, as you can see by the cockpit, these are all EMG powered, and you need a 9-volt battery, and so I'm going to be switching the battery as I go from one to the other, aside from the all plugging in, tuning up jazz. They should be pretty well tuned. They do have, all have Floyd roses on them, but all the other specs are going to be here on the right. These are identical other than string size and just a little bit on tuning. Now these two are going to be standard tuning, drop a little bit. So I think it's this is going to be E flat on here rather than an E. And then of course a coordinating on up. Same with the 8 string. Whereas this one is actually more baritone tuning. Now they're all 32-inch scale lengths, but this one is going to have it's B flat tuning. Yeah, so it's going to be fun. So check it out. So I'm just going to go real quickly samples. They're EMGs. They're all going to sound like EMGs because it's a beautiful it's a beautiful little configuration we got going here. And we do have a kill switch on all of them, and they're shiny black, which means every time I touch them I smudge them. I can't help it, and it's I'm sorry, but okay, anyway, I can't wait to get them in the case, get them to the customer. He's been waiting so long, so patiently, and I've got dust on my glasses. And yeah, so this is another good demo for me, huh? All right. Oh, the guitar wants me to play it already. So this is in the middle position. Neck/middle, let's just call it forward pickup. And the bridge. I don't have the locks clamped down all the way. I'm going to be shipping them. I don't like shipping them that way, so I kind of loosen them up. So you'll hear me play with the whammy, but I'm not going to go crazy. These are not my guitars. Did I mention that? I made them. I'm happy for them. And I'm even more happy for the customer because he's been waiting so well. I do. So hang tight. I'm going to get that for you. All right, now it's time for the 7th string. Let's give you a little sample. As you could tell, I could barely play the 6th string. So 7 is just really goofy. Wait till I get to the 8. Alright, 8 string. And now we're doing the 8 string. Check this. Multi-string guitars that I keep making. I got 9 string coming up. I think I might even have a 10 string in the works. So you think I'd learn by now, but too busy making them to have time to play them. Already low, and then you do a dive bomb. It's like, whoa, that's really cool, Yeah, I had fun making these guitars. I wish I could have more fun playing them, but you know, customers been waiting long enough for these things, and besides, I get them all smoogy. That's just not fair for a nice gloss black guitar like these. What can I say, folks? I'm having a lot of fun, and I'm getting guitars done. So, those of you still been waiting, please be patient. I'm getting your guitars done. Yeah, they're slowly but surely getting handled. Yeah. And got a lot of necks, a lot of conversion necks in the works. That, but these were the last handmade guitars by me. Everything else at least have some, if not all, of the cutting is going to be robotic. Obviously, there's fine details, and again, as I've said before, really CNC machine is like 1/50th of what goes on with making a guitar. I mean, they're not putting in frets, they're not leveling, crowning, they're not aligning tuners, you know, all that's, you know, keep making sure that the springs are just right on your Floyds, all that stuff, intonation, that's, you know, that's all handled by a human being. That you have to find out a way to make it robotic, but I'm sure if Taylor guitars made these, I'm sure that they would find a way to make robotic do that, just like they do their buffing machine. But anyway, I can ramble on for hours, as many of you know, so I won't. Have a great night, have a great day, whatever time it is that you're watching this. And folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.